And so BrightWork Power Pack BI is already pre-built. So I'm working on the Power BI platform. It is a result of our mission to offer interactive dashboards, and then we'll be able to drill down into that information. It will be downloadable and connects to your BrightWork enterprise data. It's basically connecting to the project cache, the work cache, and the project status report cache. It's across the entire organization with a little bit more graphics and our metrics here down the side that he had mentioned. So what I want to do here is I just want to see maybe my enhancement projects that are going on. So if I click on enhancement here, you're going to notice that this at the bottom has changed. These have changed. I've gone down to 7 projects. I've got 20 work items, 5 items are late, and I've got 1 red issue. I've also got 3 projects that Sean's working on. Scott is working on 2 projects, and Tracy is working on 2 projects as well. So again, here I can kind of see basically what's going on between the different departments. I have one here that is a high priority, and then those are in progress or completed. Also, to clear out that filter, I can just click on that item again. Here, if I want to see just my high priority projects, I can come here and see my high priority projects. I can see who the project manager is for those projects, what the health of my projects are, and then what the % complete of those projects are.